Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to answer and end calls using physical buttons in this device. So open the phone application. Now tap on three dots on the top right side. Tap on settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option answering and ending calls. Tap on this one. So at the bottom you can see two options. Press volume up to answer calls. Press side button to end calls. If you want to use the physical buttons to answer and ending calls, then you have to turn on these two options. When you get incoming calls, you can simply press on the volume up button. If you want to cut the call, then you can press on the side button after enable these two options. So simply in this way we can use the answer and end calls using the physical buttons in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.